You see this life where we dey, everybody do live video. You can support who you want to support. You can insult who you want to insult. I know that Sarah, Sarah, let me talk to you first. I know that because since they have been doing all this, I never want to talk to them or whatever. Today is my first time to put my mouth on their matter. I know say Sarah do something bad in the past, because for no matter what, for a sisters to go, maybe the husband when he marry, you don't know how many children get before. Maybe just tell the children say, the husband say, now only 2 children I get to. The way when the sister say admit for everybody say, now 2 children I live for Nigeria. Now remember, so maybe now so he still tell the man when he with her there. But end of the day, his sister can't go back all the children, give one of presenter because they have argument, which is not done like that. You, instead of you to do that one, you could have on video on yourself to talk to your sister. If your sister go wrong somewhere, you not go give live video presenter say go make Gbege. No, you wrong that way, my dear. You know they tell you now the truth, now they bitter. You feel from here cost me, you don't feel cost me daddy. I don't care. You understand? The truth is bitter. If your sister need apology, Sarah, you need to apologize to your sister, because what you did is very, very, absolutely what? Bad. No matter what your senior sister do to you, you're supposed to get a forgiving spirit. Before people now be putting hand, you know, say wishes and wins and they are putting their hand. If you can't see, then you will not, you understand. So for that way, you wrong, my dear. You will not be blood, the same father, the same mother. You're not supposed to beat your sister like that. You understand? Quarrel they happen, many fight. You know how many, not be only on a family, because the way where they see your sister now, Vera, it is not only on a family, now this kind of quarrel day. No, it's there everywhere. You will see some family where even you will carry the come abroad, make them come better. The way where they will take condemn your name, he get one guy when I know then, you know, he won't marry. As he won't marry, the sister will carry and come abroad. My people, he used man finish that his senior sister. The thing when not made the man marry her today, now be that. When it come be say you don't marry another person, the man can tell her and say, if you can condemn your senior sister like this, that the same father, the same mother, what of my senior sister? What of my brothers? You go just take them, yeah. So that man go. You understand? No house when this thing not day. But end of the day, they are still playing. They are still loving themselves. They know that it's a mistake. Sarah did a big mistake. You understand? I'm not talking the issue who you decide or who this one decide. That one is not my business, because you can fight for anybody. This one can fight for anybody. You understand? Hence, social media consign. Where it consign me now is that what you Sarah do that time, do wrong where. He's supposed to apologize. Sarah, you apologize to your sister. Vera, that one oh, don't go. Because now small talk now they tell people. You understand? For you to do your sister like that is very, very wrong. It's not right. And Vera, come on, my sister. You see the way you and your sister they quarrel now, yeah? We know say your sister do wrong. If there is a place you too, you do wrong. Where? You just speaking laughing. You see? People will they happy. No, the people are happy. Hey, you use womb laughing. You not get womb. Remember, God can replace womb within trickle of time or eye. You understand? Because you bring your children and say they are hungry. May I tell you now, this kind of thing when they do for person, they make you grow. They make you, people might feel that, oh, it's mocking me because I leave my children for Nigeria. It's mocking me. No. Who mock you? Make you too strong. It make you too strong in everything in this life. For me, oh, you remember people mock me of, I don't know how to read. But today, they read. Yes? People say, you don't know how to read, or even 1, 2, 3. So Corey where God will bless. Is the one where God will bless. So many people, they put me online, they teach me how to read. After I come, Corey say, Mommy, go to school. I go. He said, I go. But it's not mocking, they help me a lot. Maybe I for not they work for hospital today, they help me a lot. Because that hospital work, you think any treatment, they go there. No. If you don't know how to read, there are so many forms they will give you when we are working. You have to fill it up. No mama will, because you have to work alone. No mama and papa will come fill the form for you. No photocopy for there. Nobody will not get this thing. Some people mock me, you don't know how to drive. Yeah. Now I can drive, even though my hand is not straight. I can drive. Who mock me? I don't take mocking like something. If you mock me, you remember me or something. You remember me? Okpaka, really, you lack of this thing. Go and do it. But it's not must to. You must do it. You cannot follow people mad to do it. But it's it's for my good. It's for my good in case if I dey go party, I'm not going to find one carry me. That's why I do it. It's not to go work. Work here, even director the enter bus, follow me, go work. You understand? Maybe in case of shopping, you can drive to go and do shopping. If you know where you want to do shopping, have a parking space. Call London here, road where you will park. You will pay put. You will come to pay insurance. You understand? Vera, that word where you tell your sister is still paying now. If your sister apologized to you, you will apologize to her. Nowadays, I dey see some caller. Those caller Vera where they call you say that your sister doing like this, doing like that. That your sister no man. Remember, blood is thicker than water. Remember, una quarrel will never last till that kid don't come. Remember that one. Remember, if your sister died today, you will not be happy. If you dey happy say your sister died, I will not say you be devil. Too often now. No one will go grave where each other will be happy. No hot tears. Hot tears must come out for your face. I remember Vera that day when you offend Edo people. You come out to apologize. That's the love. No matter what, you still come and say, you still come and say, well, allow Mona forgive her, now bad math, now this. That's her blood. But now, when you are doing live video, maybe it's not that topic make you to come live video. People will be calling you, condemning your own blood in your own presence. You are saying, you see, you get one old woman that have children, woman that know how to put peace in her home, so whether na in home I will call her in where he's supposed to put peace for your. He can't tell you say your sister is jealousing you because you marry, because after 5 children you marry, you born. No, it's not like that. That woman is supposed to bring peace because the voice of that woman is an old woman. It's an old woman who's supposed to bring peace. They are not calling you to put pieces. If you talk, say I'm not married, marry na marriage. Marriage na marriage. Whether na black or na Igbo, marry na marriage. Vera, you know why I'm telling you this? Let me tell you. Remember the husband that you have in a man. Remember, get this one and write today's dates on your wall. You married to Ishaman. You and your sister they quarrel. Your old blood sister. You don't have forgive because what he did to you. What if it's your husband, brother, or sister? You will never forgive them forever and ever. Your husband is there. You think Ishama is full. No, he's not full. Here now, I never go pay bride price. I never marry like seriously. You not there, they born. If papa there, maybe it still get mama. Maybe sometimes your video will go their house. They're going to look and say, hey, oh, we may, where this happen on another baby. Say, Vera, me know Isha people where. They will say, oh, no. This one will come beat us for asshole. They go they encourage their son. Maybe their son wanting in a jam now together. So wanting in a jam are we together. Don't because of people can't make you and your sister be worst enemy. You understand? Don't do that. Because your husband, mama, they are watching you. Your husband, parents, they are watching you. They are not fools. I'm telling you. If you say you never forgive your sister, I repeat, what of your husband people? Your husband, mama? Maybe they offend you. Your husband, brothers and sisters. You will not forgive them. With this one, you can't forgive them. Please, my lovely sister, if you like, your own live video insult me, I will take it. After all, you have been only live video since a week now. People are putting my name. I don't give a shit. But the people they can't call in, Vera, say an idiot, say an fool, say an this, say an idiot. They are the problem of this social media we have. 2 people with a quarrel. Not be saying like me now when on live video like Odonga say okay, Lare no do wait say Lare. No, the people that call in, they are heavy. Their heaviness is too much. Their jealousness is too much. See you and your sister playing together is a barrier to them. Some tell you, do what is in your mind. I cannot force you to love your sister. If you like, do enemy. No, because they are out there, not they play. If you, Vera, if you dig underground of those people that are calling you, you will know that their house is scatter. Their house, there is no peace. All these people with their children say their enemy inside the house. Then the big parts don't be silly. Thank you, sweetie. You will not say these people, if with their family, they are not either building, either I give my mama may build that for me, not do enemy they. Either I give my brother may help me build that. You know our people now, he chop my money, and their house no peace. Vera, be careful. Those people where they call, that they use your go remember what did their father, their mother, their sister do them. What did their father, mother, sisters do them? They are now bringing together to you for you to die against your blood. Remember, blood is thicker than water. The way I talk to you, so nobody on earth will come and tell you this. I know immediately I finish this live video, someone will take a phone to call you, say, Rob your back and bomb and war. They are there. I know them. I know that they are evil. People can call you, say, I want that's why I stop saga. It's not that saga, it's not sweet. When you they drop, who they call you for words. Why you not bring your face? Why you not bring your mama? Why you not bring your parents? You understand? Please, my dear, look back. Don't let people to call on your platform. They should call for another person's platform to start insulting your sister. If you watch, your sister, you don't allow anybody to call for your platform for them to be swearing for you. You are the senior. A senior is supposed to behave as a senior, not like a junior. A senior is supposed to be all that pick dirty and put for the brewing. It's not because that it's only you can pick that dirty and put for your brain. Nobody else. If your sister not feel put dirty for your body, now me want to put that dirty for your body. Tell me now. Vera, it did everybody body. That day you declare say your senior sister throw away your load outside. You know the one when they do to me. You know what I'm not saying, eh? Because that my sister now and children don't grow. One of the son is my mother trainer. That they look my live video. The one the senior one, the boy now my mama and my junior sister now they train the boy to the university level. But my mama sister not do that one for me. You not do it for any of my mama children. But carry my bike to where? I know they like to talk because I don't know. You know, children always pick things and hold it. I never want to tell my children, say, you see what my mama sister do me. No. Because I know when I do that one, my children will get it in their brain. They will use it against my mother's sister. And I never want to carry my sister children. Sit down and say, see what you and mama do. No. I still love them more. No. If I dey go as now, I dey buy for this. Even that my mama sister, now they even gave me pass. That man, if to say not to wear my bag, I don't think I would dey here. I don't think say I would dey here. Why I not do bad? I not do bad though. If with somebody they quarrel, he say why I greet him. That's why I know they do enemy for anybody, even my mom. He say, why you go greet him? Okay, carry your load, go meet them for us. Why I go carry my bag, go meet them because I say I greet them. You know what I do? I just carry my bag, come out. Go my boyfriend's house. Then, from there, even I be not want to learn work, from there I call the hairdresser. Can you imagine? He pushed me away for the goods. I can't go learn work. I from work, I go from there, they walk. Can you see? Please, Vera, please, do it sake of your husband and where you are going. Do it. Don't keep your sister malice and what you are doing it on live video for the whole worldwide to see. You understand? I'm telling you today, I know Isha man. I know Isha family. That thing you are doing, they will take it like, because say you there abroad. Any day, your husband, if you not change, he go home, you'll see him, obviously I'm going to born for him. And they tell you, he go to born for him. But be careful. Forgive your sister. Get that spirit of forgive. All those, yeah, I don't know, I don't want to insult anybody. When they call you, say, deal with your sister. I say, no. It's not comfort here. It's not comfort. Please. Please. Don't let anybody to push you to be bringing your sister down or whatever. The man say, Sarah, do bad. Oh. The thing where you do is bad. Where? Sarah, you too, as a little sister. And now when you don't realize what you did, you are not joining your sister. Say, they are slaving your sister. They are ready. Nobody is slaving your sister, let me tell you. Nobody is slaving your sister. Your sister decided to slave himself. Your sister decided to fight where not be own. So nobody they slave on. You understand? So I don't want to go details about when they cry or whatever. You know, we don't take live video. We know every. Please, Vera, Sarah, apologize to your sister. If you like on live video, cost me well. You don't feel cost me well. For YouTube, for Instagram, for Facebook. But the cost, you say they do me anything. No, they make me fresh. Likewise, Vera. Vera be open platform for people to insult me. I don't care. You like, do it, stand. All those your caller. Let them call in to say, don't worry. Don't mind, back and I'm stupid to my old winch. That was simple. The old winch don't remove any scratch on my body. Oh, cargo, if I pass your gate. That will not remove anything from my body. But what I need peace. For you and your sister. You can join who you want to join. Your sister can join who you want to join. I tell Noria to bote. I na Jakon won't me. All those one cannot tell you why you join this one. No. Somebody like me, a person will come tell me why I want to join. I know they even join anybody. When you do any, I come here on my live video. I tell you the way where you let you take sleep. If the tea too war. If the story, if I look this time, what is they talk? The Chris. I look this time, what is they like the way where they look you look Sarah and I say, all those callers and make me want to talk to you so. Because those callers they be I don't know the name I will give name. They are not oh God. Instead of that to say, Sarah, not mind your sister, continue your good work. You are be fighting for who you they fight for. Well done. Then, hey Sarah. Eme Sarah arriva. Eme Sarah atabivami. Eme Sarah, oh, you be ready with live video. Eme Sarah, it's Sarah. Oh, Maggie fo. Abe de done. Why make your man? Why a phone is very easy. It's very easy to use. You know, it's very easy. Hello, where you speaker? As they are 20 na because na modo, yen modo, on a bavo, on a way, every night those 2 years. Why suffer yo? Una not get mato, put off fure. Why go? Ya bo yes na we do munu ye na yedo. Eri me waje, eko bali me. Ni ya bege o tie vaga gbina. 2 sisters fighting. Whoa. Uwalaze, uwahela toto, wala toto ene wazole, no do be in na bie. He said, why I suffer your way? I worry, all the women away. La wo, I worry. Wow. Erogi money. He not say. Wala wo go. Kere. Wagima se fu e yo small. E fu ani masaye bezina. Oh ya mwe bogbe ma ya dere. O wa wo pa mwe bogbe. It become a man in me kwano. E boni ati ere woman all presenter. Iga ye keme na we all presenter ire nu so keme mo we do gbotode. O sie yeah wa ime ya te mu mi koyan abo le boni. Be iga presenter ime na de ni ya mo ibi do no hu si gboto awawa. Ime mu ya gbotode. Danim igbina ni ya. O sie run no ro e boni o ime. Eviebo manoro e ogime. Kosi me wa gbina ni viedo. La wo go. Sarah and Vera, please. I beg you in the name of Jesus, in the name of God, in the name of Heavenly Father, forgive your sister. Forgive each other. Let peace reign. If they support who they support, it doesn't concern you. You they support who they concern, it doesn't concern the other one. The fight is on the ground. It's different from what you people are insinuating now. Please, my love, let peace reign between you and your sisters. The many say people go lure you to move life to Rubia. Why would they remember Mate Noria? If a yard with Gbege, say what money beer. Cannot be everybody they do life the one I would the answer. You see, since all those on the answer, I know they mind. I know who to answer. I know they carry my life like this. Consider and they answer dog, fowl, goat, we. No. You understand? Please. 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 If you want me to kneel down for you and your sister, I will do so. Don't let people to be calling on your platform to insult your sister, which is not fair. And it's not nice for part of you. And it's not nice for your husband people face. I mean, they tell you, your husband people face, Uromi people face, it's not good. Oh, we're going on now. Oh, real life video. Oh, yeah. If it be say your sister carry your children, he carry and put for social media, and your children they are lovely, they are, you know. Now many say you not do a shawo. If you not do a shawo, how your children will find where? No, but say we can say 50 euro no. Where you boy you to? Where 50 euro where again? No kai we do point we then the can orema. Eriamo, could I say B, let B, gas B, or logo? Una the body and go gian, maybe a yak bawe. It to say day with your family, that one is different. If you day with the other papa, oh no, I may marry go you. Why go? Oh no, I may a man no ma get beok of water. Mother's not. Oh, do no ma get beok him me. Oh, no, you may or in young, no ma get beok. May you go in you get out of Beco, oh, now we are watching me, well, okay. Or to me, I will, or the Fiania, or Mafiania, equally as gay. If you nature, if you really take care of my children, they will do. And not those children, they don't big. They don't, even on self contained. Poor one guy, you know how many people they find where to stay to take care of children. They buckle, carry the come up for there, whatever. Kevani are school. Or very good, I Gbege, I live in here. You know, so my lovely sister, please, it's okay if you like on live video. Tell me the way I will take sleep. I don't care. All right. Only mother one now tell you so because I'm here every year. If to say your mama still there alive, I don't think you people will be doing this. You expect your mother to be happy. Even the grave where your mother is not happy. See children fighting up and down. You think a spirit not the see? He's not happy. Maybe not happy. I wanted not to do. My spirit said, go and talk to them. My darling, talk to these children. Speak to them. Talk to them. That's why I talk. I want my spirit to get okay. Even the person they tell me, hey, Gwanyo, I will not accept because my spirit, they worry me. They say, Gwanyo, Gwinya eva Gwan. Please, my sister, la go. Wa get peace rain. Yeah, TV amogun gbe me be market because ogun ni aya wo yan mi. Ogun ogbo paika. Ogun na ene gbe me. E moto agbe e gbe me. E bo yan ju sen. Yan je ona. E be ni meje me. Ise ni me ya wo me shan ni ba. Ma bege. E me igwale mi ni me aya reduce. I want to reduce. Every day now they waka agree. Because I want this my skin to be glow. Oh, yak back very glow. Me money me yak pa very ola. Wala wo. Wagi matter. Please, my sweethearts.